Hi guys, so I'm here in a restroom. I know it's COVID season, but when restrooms are open, I have to, you gotta go. And while I was going, I had noticed this exhaust fan that looks very cool. I used to be the owner of Smarty Feminine More. It changed to the fact that I want to show you guys this channel because unfortunately not every restroom's open anymore. And due to that, I can't film exhaust fans anymore that quickly. So, let the best moments happen here. This is a Penn Zephyr ceiling fan. This is the Penn Barry company, so it's a little newer. Features the blower that is made of metal. It has a big motor, and it's actually pretty quiet. Not too loud, but it is not the world's quietest. So here we go. So this is the Penn Zephyr ceiling fan in action. Here's the vent. What it looks like when turned on. I'll give you guys a close up here. Give you guys another start up here. Well guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to see my video of the Autech Evolution car wash that I just filmed with the Predavis dryers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. Peace out, y'all.